Hi, this is CJ with CJ's DIY channel, and today I am looking at this video mic that I just got in the mail, and going to see if it's better than without it. It's designed for iPhone and iPads. It's a Rode brand mic, and which I know is a popular brand and of high quality. And so I just want to see if it's better than without it. So I'm going to, right now I've got it plugged in. It is plugged into my iPhone, and so the recording that you're listening to right now is with the video mic plugged in. I'm going to unplug it and see if there's a difference in the audio after I unplug it. So let's try that right now. Okay, so now I've got it unplugged, and I've played with this a little bit already, and I could tell a pretty big difference actually between the two. And so I do like it. I think it's a lot better than not having anything at all. With that said, it's probably not on par with your shotgun mics and stuff like that you can get and put on cameras. But for an iPhone, it seems to be working really well. It also came with a windsock. There's a picture of it, and here it is. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to install this windsock on it, and we'll go outside. And it's a little bit windy today, but we'll go out there and see if it makes a difference in the wind. We'll do a comparison outside and see what happens. Okay, so I've got it installed there. It's kind of fluffy. It looks like you might have to watch out when you're plugging this in to not get these caught in the hole as you're plugging it in. But I bet it's going to work really good. So I'm going to plug it in now. Okay, so now I've got it plugged back in, and we'll go outside and see what it sounds like outside, and then I'll unplug it and see if we can hear the wind out here. Okay, so it does seem kind of windy, and I mean I can hear the wind in my ear. So I'm going to unplug it now and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so here's without it on there, obviously, and the wind's blowing quite a bit, so it'll be interesting to see how that sounds. Now I'm going to plug it back in. Okay, there, it's plugged back in now, and we'll see how that sounds. So if you like this short video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.